Bioluminescence isn't just pretty ocean glow. It's actually a survival strategy that's been perfecting itself for over 700 million years. When you see those glowing waves at night, you're watching tiny organisms called dinoflagellates create light through a chemical reaction. They do this to startle predators or attract even bigger predators to eat whatever's threatening them. It's basically an underwater alarm system. Scientists are now using this same mechanism to detect water pollution in real time. When these organisms light up unexpectedly, it signals contamination. Researchers have even extracted the genes responsible for bioluminescence and inserted them into plants, creating trees that could one day replace streetlights. The same defense mechanism that protects microscopic plankton might illuminate our cities without electricity. Next time you're near the ocean at night, look for that blue glow. Ask yourself what other natural phenomena around you are solving problems we haven't even figured out how to engineer yet. Nature's been innovating longer than we have.